What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up? Hello.
Hello.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the Hit the Bid program. It's hitthebid.com, hitthebid.net, whichever you prefer. Come to the chat room. Come to the chat room because there has been miracles going on lately. Yesterday, in the chat room, we were 13 for 13, just looking at my my new scanner that's been doing well. And I didn't go 13 for 13, obviously. I did 3 trades in the morning, made some money, and I decided to hang on and do nothing for the rest of the day. We did like FSLR and did like X yesterday for maybe hanging on to it, and right now each of them are gapped up. So if you were so inclined to hang on to those, you're up this morning. And we're talking about a market that it's very difficult for me to want to buy into when I think there might be a bigger sell-off in store. But again, we're fighting the government, we're fighting hedge funds, we're fighting everybody that's got to make it look good for the end of the year. Nobody wants to be left out. That's why buying on dips has worked over the last 8 months. And once again, it looks like buying on the dip is turning out to be something special. Anyway, I don't want to... hopefully my birthday week continues to be pleasant. Right now, I'm still in a relatively good mood. A little bit nervous, a little bit of agita going into today's game. And hopefully they get this over with so I can move on and celebrate with my son, go to the parade, have a good time. Yankee baseball, my son's never seen them win yet. A championship, that is, so this would be something special. Let's talk about what we're going to do today. My hands are going to be off. I'm probably going to sell my X at the open and collect my winnings for the day. And just keep an eye out, look for stuff to tell you guys to get into, because also Garmin, FSLR, and X were the 3 trades yesterday, and they're all gapped up today, of course. Of course, if I would have held any substantial amount overnight, probably wouldn't have gapped up. That's the story of my life. So hey, hi out there. If you're watching the show for the first time and you're one of my girls that's going to be meeting me in Vegas, the idea is that we're going to have a really, really good time in Vegas, and we're going to be doing this photo shoot. You guys are going to be walking around the trader's floor. Basically, we're going to take this place by storm, and you ladies are going to be by my side to ensure that everybody wants to come talk to us and not all these other scam artists, these guys who want to proclaim themselves as gurus, talking about how smart they are. I prove it every day on a regular basis how sort of smart I am. I can get into a stock, I can take a little bit of profit, tell you about it, and you can make 10 times more than I do. And it's all free here at hitthebid.com. It's a lot of fun. Plus, what's going to happen is eventually we're going to have this new website, and if you come to the chat room, I'll give you the website to the new beta, hitthebid.com, so you can join up. It's kind of like the Facebook for traders. If you guys want to hang out, we can post messages back and forth to each other. It's still in beta form, but this is the way we're going. I'll give you the new website. If you come to the chat room, I'll tell you all about it. You can sign up for it. Once again, it's all free. My friends over at Ninja Trader are ready to party with me in Vegas. My boys at Day Trading Rockstar are ready to party with me in Vegas. And if all else fails, we're just going to be partying. If I achieve nothing else, at least we're going to have a good time. Make this year into something. So I see the Hig earnings were out. Stock's up a little bit. That's all you need to know. Once the earnings are out and the stock's not gapped down, you're probably in good shape. Today's Fed day. Fed's going to probably say the same diatribe that they use to ensure that we're all feeling good about ourselves and make sure that we don't want to sell any of our stocks and believe in the future of America. The future of America. So birthday week continues tomorrow. I'm going to see West Side Story. Now, never did I imagine Game 7 of the World Series might be taking place on the same day that I'll be going out to see a Broadway show. That's right, I'm into the arts. Say what you will. I like a good musical every once in a while. But, my God, if it's during the Game 7 of the World Series, I don't know how I'm going to sit there without headphones on or quick updates on my iPhone. So here's to the Yankees winning this all tonight. Settling up with my bookie because if they do win 4-2, I'm going to lose a lot of money. I bet the Yankees to win in 7. So I'm kind of rooting against them in a way, but you know what? If they win, so be it. I won't win any money. I'll lose some money. It's worth it to me. All right, well, here's the watch list today. HURN finally stopped going down. We're taking a look at that. We're also looking at Digital Globe, back down to where we like it to buy. The earnings are coming out on the 9th on Digital Globe. Again, I don't know if it's about earnings with this company. I think it's more about if they say they've secured some nice contracts with their new satellite camera they have wandering the heavens. Hopefully they have something good to say. And right now, it looks like one more day of not being able to fight the government. The government is way too strong. It's a very difficult market to short. It's a very difficult market to hang on to anything short. Also starting to look into the oil futures instead of trading this USO, which I think USO is another one of these ETF products that as much as you want to just buy the USO if you believe in the price of oil going up, there's a better way, and that's trading the futures. So I'm gonna start calling my futures guy and start learning a little bit more about oil futures, because at least that's more of a pure play on the price and the direction of oil, and you can make some money. All right, well, good luck. Come to the chat room, and people in the chat room, do me a favor. If there's a new guy coming to the chat room, because yesterday we had someone come in the chat room, and I typed in Garmin's still going, and he's like, "Let me guess, you sold it 50 cents ago." As much as I wanted to smack him in the face for being sarcastic, it was true. I had sold it 50 cents ago. That's the whole point. That's right. I bought it on the way. It was going positive. I gave it a shot at whatever it was at 34.30. It went positive at 34.40. I sold at 34.60, and it proceeded to go up another point. So yeah, it was up another 50 cents when you were so sarcastic about it. And yeah. Birthday week continues. What I don't know if I mentioned a couple of weeks ago is it was my father-in-law's birthday, so we all got together with all our cousins and from the other side of the family. I have this one cousin who I don't see him too often, and you know who I'm talking about. He's real enthusiastic. You remember that guy who's just like really into your story? Yeah, he's like shaking his head, waiting for the next anecdote or next thing that you're gonna do. He's so excited about, yeah, so then what happened? Yeah, tell me. Oh, yeah, really? And I'm thinking to myself, you know what? I should just downplay this story right now to try to change this guy's facial expression. Yeah, and then it drastically went wrong. Because he's like leading you into telling you more about some story. Most of the time the story is nothing. It's just bullshit, blah, 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 just shooting the breeze. He's just like, yeah? yeah, all right, yeah. Calm down. The story's not that great. Calm down for a second. But yeah, that's it. So that is it. Oh, Chesapeake. Chesapeake was a phenomenal trade yesterday, because one of the best times to buy a reversal is when a company reports earnings, the headlines seem negative, the stocks gap down, and in the face of all what looked negative, the stock starts to go up. And once that stock's going green, basically proving that all the headlines were apparently wrong, and it was an overreaction to whatever those headlines read. So in 80 to 90% of the time, if a stock that is gapped down on an earnings report goes positive, it will remain positive for the day. Chesapeake was a good buy yesterday, and I wouldn't be too afraid to get long that stock again and use the gap down price as your out if you're planning on holding it for more than 6 seconds like us psychotic traders do on a daily basis. All right, well, good luck to you. Digital Globe, I think I might buy it again. Hang on to it. Hopefully it runs to the earnings. Good luck to you, and come to the chat room. It's fantastic.